Today let's make the Galaxy Fighter, one of my most favorite paper airplanes. So to make the Galaxy Fighter, you need a printing paper. I am using US letter size. First step, I will fold the paper in half horizontally. Unfold the paper. Now I will start from the left side first. I fold it straight to the center crease. Repeat the same fold for the other side. And next step, I start from the tip here, fold it to this edge. Very simple. Now turn the paper this way. Start from this side. I fold it to the center crease. Okay, now repeat the same step for this side. Okay. Turn the paper back like this. Unfold the paper. Unfold this side as well. And now I'll pull this layer up, as you can see here. Then I push this crease to the center crease. When you hold this side of the paper, you can pull this one down like this. Okay. Now fold this side back, and I repeat the same step for this side. And fold this triangle shape back to the other side. This is what we should have for now. Next step, I will fold this layer. You can see the square shape here. This is the part you have to pull it up. I pull it up like this. You can see how I fold it. This is a little bit difficult to fold. When I fold it up, I don't know how to estimate this, but one way I know I can do is when I fold it up like this, I will not fold straight up at all. You can see this side begin pushing in, so I will fold this edge to the crease here. Okay. And also this edge to this edge down here. You can use this edge as your reference line to fold it in. So I just done one side, and I repeat the same fold for the other side. I will turn the paper like this and fold it down. Now we just have done the hardest part. Okay, and I will turn the paper over. You can see that if this line is straight up with the line up here, that means you fold correctly. Now you can fold this triangle shape down like this, and then you can fold the paper in half. See, this is very easy now. you need to make sure that all edges are lined up, just like this. This edge matching this edge, and everything looks perfect for now. And next step, we are going to create the wings. We use this edge and this edge as references to fold. So I will do it now. And repeat the same step for the other side. You can turn the paper over like this for this side. So guess what is so cool about this paper airplanes? This is very aerodynamic. As you can see here, there is no drags on the head here, so when the wings flow, it will flow through here. There's nothing holds back. However, to make the plane more stable, we need to create the stabilizers, and I will show you how to do it right now. I'll fold the paper back down like this. And as you can see here, the wings, I will estimate about half of an inch or 1.5 centimeter. And I repeat the same fold for the other side. As you can see here, what I have, I will fold this one up. Make sure that one of your hands hold the wings when you fold. Now unfold the paper, unfold the stabilizer, curl the wings up a bit so make it flat. There you go. This is the Galaxy Fighter, and I hope you guys will enjoy the paper airplane. And if it flies well for you, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Also, thank you for watching. Bye bye.